Hello guys! Welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel. Happy New Year everyone! It's been long time, sabi ganun, na hindi ako gumawa ng content. But today, meron akong gagawing content because very timely. It's New Year and we start a new chapter, new vlog na makapulutan ng aral ng bawat isa. I'm so motivated. If you watch sa vlog ni Jinkitan with the interview of Kara ano yun? Kara ano nga yun? Karen Davila. Ayan, so first, watch our entry. Hello guys! Welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel. Happy New Year everyone! So hope na celebrate kayo ng magandang New Year sa inyong family, sa inyong friends, sa inyong church. So Happy New Year everyone! So today, very timely, gagawa tayo ng bagong video sa ating YouTube channel. Ayan. It's a new beginning because it's a new year. Ayan. So, ay ganun. So, sa aking mga subscribers, thank you so much. Hindi tayo malaking channel, but I'm so motivated after I watch the video or the interview of Karen Davila sa channel ni Jinkitan. So, before I start this video, let's go! Hi! So, okay. Marami tayong mga na-experience sa past na New Year or na years. New Year? Past years. Sa aking channel, kung mayroon kayong time or napanood nyo na yung aking mga vlogs, ang aking content ay daily vlogs, ano yung ginagawa ko araw-araw, kain, mukbang, unboxing, at about visa, my experience to apply a visa, and travel, and some cooking also, some challenge, and annulment. Ayan. So, I want to share with you guys my experience, and I'm so motivated to make another video this 2025 because of this video I watched this morning sa channel ni Jinkitan. Ayan, alam natin kilala niyo si Jinkitan. He is a very popular. It comes with the financial literacy, financial how mag-ipon, magpayaman, paano magiging successful. Ayan, hindi lang sa pera, kundi sa ating kabuuhang pagkatao at lalo na sa ating spiritual na buhay. Ayan, so, I encourage you to watch guys sa video ni Jinkitan with the interview of Karen Davila. Ayan, I'm so inspired and motivated. That's why I make another video. Ayan, so, I'm Heidi or Helena Dillasa in this channel, but my real name is Heidi Dillasa. So I just confused my name because I don't like my name Heidi. But of course in my birth certificate is like that. So yeah, I embrace that. Okay, so I want to share this episode. Okay, I will say this episode because I want to tackle all my childhood when I was my previous marriage is failed, and then I got a baby. I work in overseas, and then I met this German guy, and then I applied annulment, and I was approved. And then the next level is I'm married now with the, yeah, with my fiancé, with the German guy. And then I want to share with you how to process the Hong Kong marriage or Hong Kong ceremony. Okay. So, first episode na gagawin ko sa inyo, my childhood experience. So, I want to promise to all of you na magsasalita ako dito ng uh, experience ko. Hindi dahil uh, laitin ako or i-condemn ko yung sarili ko. But I want to share this to many peoples, persons na naka-experience nito. And I want to inspire them na despite or in spite sa mga naranasan natin in my childhood, bad or good, naging successful man or na-failed, na mayroon tayong hope in the future. So, I want to first make this intro only. Just intro kasi gagawa ko ng mahabang video every day. I promise myself and na gagawa talaga ako every day ng video to share with you guys. I'm not a popular, I'm not a celebrity, I just ordinary person, but I want to share my experience, my story. And I want to spread a good vibes this year, faith, hope for everyone. So, sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe sa aking channel, sa mga nag-subscribe na, thank you so much. Sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe in my YouTube channel. And this video, also this episode, I just spread this one in my social media also. And my TikTok account and my page, my Facebook page, German LDR, German Filipino LDR. So I want to upload also my all videos I will make in this channel. Then you can check out also and watch there. So in my TikTok account and my Facebook page. Ayan. So thank you sa mga nag-subscribe at sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga gagawin na video this year. Ayan. So, thank you so much. That's it for today only. So, tomorrow I will make another video. And, yeah, for this 2025, I claim the blessing and I claim the more opportunity and breakthrough at anuman yung mga prayer natin for this 2025, sana mag-grant yan ni Lord in a perfect time. Ayan. Thank you so much and God bless everyone. Bye!